Hot Daddy's back with a brand new pretzel sampler pack, but this time it's even crazier. You're gonna get their 3 new collaborations, a bunch of the fan favorites, some of the ones we've never seen in a variety pack before. With those 13 bags, they're throwing in either a free bag of their strawberry shortcake pretzels, a free bag of their sweet Maui onion pretzels, or a free bag of their Dutch apple pie pretzels. They finally brought these back since Thanksgiving's coming up, so you get to pick between these 3 flavors on which free bag you want. If you guys want to check them out for yourself, I'll drop a link on this video. Just make sure you get your hands on these before they're all sold out.